Same walk, same hand. A GoPro Hero 13 Black held low, an iPhone 15 Pro held just above it, filming the exact same scenes at the same time. This is what actually came out different, and it's not just about the picture. These two cameras exist for completely different reasons. GoPro started because its founder wanted to film himself surfing, a camera built to survive being mounted, dropped, and drenched, with the picture as a secondary concern to just surviving the moment. The iPhone's camera exists because Apple needed it to be good enough that most people would never buy a separate camera again. And over 18 generations, that's basically what happened. On paper, this isn't close. The GoPro has one lens, ultra-wide, built for point of view. The iPhone 15 Pro has three, a main lens, an ultra-wide, and a 3x optical zoom telephoto, because a phone has room to spare that an action camera doesn't. The GoPro weighs about 154 grams, waterproof to 10 meters with no case at all. The iPhone is heavier, at 187 grams, rated IP68, waterproof, but only meant for brief, shallow exposure, not for actually swimming with it. Battery. The GoPro's is swappable, small, and genuinely struggles in the cold. The iPhone's is sealed in, bigger, and just quietly lasts longer. First real difference you notice on the footage itself. The GoPro's field of view is just wider. Same distance, same framing intent, and it's capturing noticeably more of the scene on every side. Walking with both cameras rolling, the GoPro's stabilization wins outright. Smoother, steadier, built for exactly this kind of handheld movement. The iPhone can't quite match it. Under flat, overcast skies, the iPhone pulls ahead. Cleaner color, better dynamic range, less of that washed-out look the GoPro gets when the light goes flat. And the microphones aren't close, either. Listen to both, side by side, at the same moment. So who actually needs a GoPro? Honestly, fewer people than GoPro would like. If you're surfing, mountain biking, diving, or mounting a camera somewhere a phone would never survive, there's still nothing better. If you're just walking around recording your life, your phone is already better at almost everything else. And there's a real annoyance underneath all of this. So here's where I actually landed. The iPhone wins almost everywhere. Light, color, audio, and it does more with 3 lenses than the GoPro does with 1. The GoPro's real win is stabilization and durability in places I'd never bring a phone. If I only needed steady, rugged, mountable footage, GoPro. For basically everything else,